See, this is a weird configuration. There's the power lines. He's almost running alongside perfect with them. The other one is not. And there he goes. Off in the big old mess of clouds, pulsating in the whole 9 yards. See you later, buddy. Have a good trip. Another object here. Very steep descent. And pretty rapid too. He's headed over to the East Coast. Yeah, the storm is getting closer. There's another object right here. Falling right in behind him. Different flight path. Object here. Heading out to the east also. I don't know what the attraction is about the east tonight, but that's where the party's at, I guess. It's actually going down. Like it was going down in the Atlantic. The jet. There he goes. At least he ain't spraying anything. Thank you. Don't know if I caught that or not, but that was very quick. There's a large one here. Heading to the north. Right above my head. And as usual, I probably missed that very large, extremely rapid moving object again. Went right over like it was nothing. It's a little bit early for it. I don't understand it, but maybe they're just not on the schedule. And here's moving along pretty nicely, considering. And it's just going on off to the north. Yeah, he's behind the clouds. Now he's going down. And we'll just let him go. This is just for Mr. Allen, Mr. Wilbur Allen. There is a direct correlation between the objects and storms. I was wondering why everybody was going to the East Coast. It's because there is a big lightning storm in progress right over here. As you can see the lightning dance, that's where all the objects went to earlier. So, like I say, there's a correlation. Here he is. He just flashed. I couldn't see the object without the night vision until it flashed. And there it is, right directly overhead. Moving off to the north. Little object put out a flash big enough to where I could see it without anything. He is going straight down. Pretty rapidly too. And he's getting closer. He's actually doubled back.